Welcome to our channel. Today we how to factory reset Surface Pro 9 step by step clearly. To factory reset your Surface Pro 9, start by ensuring your device is charged and backed up. Press and hold the power button to turn off the device completely. Once it's off, press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Surface logo appears on the screen, then release them. You should now see the Windows logo, followed by a recovery menu. From the recovery menu, select Troubleshoot. In the Troubleshoot menu, choose Reset this PC. You will be presented with two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Select Remove Everything for a complete factory reset. Next, you will be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. Choose between Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. If you choose Cloud Download, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection and proceed with the reset. The process may take some time, so be patient. Once the reset is complete, your Surface Pro 9 will restart. You will be greeted with the initial setup screen, just like when you first used the device. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Windows. Finally, your Surface Pro 9 is now restored to factory settings and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.